So you're essentially restarting a business that had been shuttered for a period of time. What were the first few priorities that you guys had that you've really focused on to kind of get this thing back up and going?
Yeah, a couple of things. One was on the personnel front. Was the two of the people that were with us, that those first five, two of them were people with 30, 40 years of textile experience, and they had worked there. They knew all the former employees, so they were able to call them all up. And one day we had them in the conference room. The building at the time, there was no limited electric for the boiler. There was limited heat. The plumbing didn't work. So everyone's kind of shivering in this room, and people looking at us like, who are you guys? And why should we trust you? Sort of, a little bit of, kind of peering over the fence at us. But, we talked through it and talked about what we wanted to do. And then so it was people was the first, and then the building was in significant challenging situation. And we were able to rather quickly apply to have it listed on the National Register of Historic Places. I mean, one, it is, and so it's nice to have that designation, but there were also some state and federal tax credits that we were able to access to help with the work we were doing. So the building, literally from the basement to the roof, boilers, plumbing, electrical, roof, structural issues, knock on wood, most of the equipment turned back on. When we bought it, we didn't even know if the equipment would run. And so it was getting it back up and operational. And I think the employees that came back saw that there was a serious effort to rehabilitate the facility and make improvements, and a couple of pieces of equipment that were needed as well. But it was literally a complete makeover of the facility.